La 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 la. La 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 la. It's a holiday and we have beautiful fabrics, and I'm so excited to bring you these 6 new fabrics. These are all Italian. This is a viscose woven. Would that be beautiful for a little summer dress? It's so lightweight. Really, both sides are usable, even though clearly, you know, one side is darker. 100% viscose woven. It's just lovely. And look at, I mean, when you ball it all up, it doesn't wrinkle, and it's viscose. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then we have 100% cotton. This is a beautiful orange, like a red orange. It's so pretty, so beautiful. 100% cotton, has stretch in both directions. Great fabric, great drape. This is 100% viscose. Is that says summer? Look at all the peaches coming off the tree. I just love it. Just love it. Be cute if you had a little black and white dotted fabric to go with it. Anyway, maybe in your stashes. Stretch in both directions, 100% viscose also. You can see how beautifully these go with the orange base or the white. Either way, stretch in both directions. Great drape, great fabric. This is like the black that we had yesterday, the second skin. It's stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly though. This has a cotton content to it. Isn't that awesome? Great, again, great for undergarments, or I mean outer, but you know, great base. This is like an ITY, but it's a cotton poly. It has the same border on both sides. It's about a 10-inch wide border. Great drape, navy. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Love these fabrics. $8.99, you guys. This is ridiculous. Again, we want you to know how gorgeous our fabrics are. We want you to love them, and we want you to sew. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.